So I think we'll go back to the coach now, and we're going to Disney Springs. Good morning. It's Sunday and I'm going out and doing a city tour of Orlando, well away from the theme parks. I think we're going to Winter Gardens for a boat tour, but yeah, see how this plays out.
This is Southern Osceola.
We're at Lake Eola Park. That's a famous fountain over in the distance. Apparently the swans here are super vicious, so you don't really want to piss them off. Now this here is where Walt Disney did his speech in 1963, I think, announcing Walt Disney World being here in Orlando. He was going to do Tampa, he was thinking of Miami, but they were coastal cities and he was worried about hurricanes, so he wanted something that was landlocked, so chose Orlando. And you'll see it's multicoloured. They painted that recently in honour of the victims of the Pride shooting at the Pulse nightclub in Orlando a couple of years ago. That's really cool. Like a lot of cities, there's a lot of homeless people around the park. A lot of homeless people, which is really sad. And that is the oldest church in Orlando. We're at Winter Park. We're going on an hour-long boat ride around the city, which would be rather lovely.
Again, welcome. My name is David. I'll be your guide on these 3 lakes and 2 canals for the next hour, or however long it takes us to get there. All this water flows north to the St. Johns River and eventually hits the Atlantic Ocean at Jacksonville. 2.5 miles to Fairbanks and Osceola, then Brewer, and finally Aloma. You don't have to remember any of that as long as you remember the duck. Well, welcome to Lake Virginia. This was named by the owner of the sawmill. He came from the Commonwealth of Virginia. But our first non-native settlers were Georgians. They came down here in 1858, just before the Civil War. These are hibiscus plants, and the orange plant that has kind of a conical look. Conical, not comical. That's a pagoda plant. Again, my name is David. It's been my pleasure to host you for this past hour. Thanks, everybody.
Okay, after a rather windswept boat tour around Winter Park, which is fantastic, we're going down to Park Avenue, which is a big thoroughfare in central Orlando. See, tourists never come to these kind of places. Good, really. This is actually the Amtrak line, with the Amtrak train that comes from New York all the way down to Miami. Do I want to eat this early or not? Probably not. There's some very inviting eateries. Actually, Park Avenue's got a little bit of a Duval Street vibe about it down in Key West, although probably not as bohemian, but yeah. One's at 310 Park South. Spinach, bacon, feta. I think I'll go with that. So that's the Rollins College they're all on about. It's like very much a college town here. Most tourists don't really come down to the actual city of Orlando, and they really should, because there's so much to see away from the theme parks and all that kind of thing. Bizarrely, next in the itinerary, actually, we're going to Disney Springs. No, I avoid Disney like the plague, so that'll be interesting. I'm bearing to get. I know it's not. It's more like a shopping complex, I think, Disney Springs. But yeah, I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. Nice little garden here. Just by the main thoroughfare. People can come and chill out and relax. Yeah, it's very nice. Well, lovely little alcoves. Hidden garden, shops and restaurant. Oh, I've got that incense smell. I feel like I'm in like Glastonbury. I would say that Park Avenue is really a place to come to at night. I'm sure it's really buzzing. It's just starting to buzz now actually. It took a while to get going, but it's a Sunday, isn't it? So yeah, but really cool street. So I recommend that. Come down to Winter Gardens and walk down Park Avenue, get some eats, have some drinks. It's all about. So I think we'll go back to the coach now, and we're going to Disney Springs. Amtrak. I'm not getting on it though. I've got a coach to catch. Okay, help. I'm in Disney Springs. How did that happen? It's part of the tour. Everyone on the coach, and four of us, and they go like, what time do you want me picking up, guys? 4 o'clock or 3:30? We're like, 3:30. I don't think they're really Disney people either, so we'll have a look around anyway, as we're here. So a message to Hannah, Davina and Bennett. I'm on Disney property. I want it known. I'm not protesting, I'll just let you know. I'm only kidding, I'm sure it's a lot of fun, especially in the evening. But it's not my thing. Okay, I might try these two shops. Windy. All about healthy living here. Coca-Cola museum shop. Let's have a look. Everyone's having fun. Very blowy. As I'm in a Disney resort, I've just asked to be rescued by Hannah, Davina and Bennett because they're Disney freaks. I just posted on Facebook my concern that I'm in a Disney resort. Thank you, Davina Coburn, for your prompt reply. Saying there's a lot of happy people here because it's Disney. Big place though, huge. I didn't realise how big it was. Oh well. I'll be honest, it's actually not too bad, but don't tell anyone. It's quite cool here actually. Chap with the t-shirt there. Team Jesus. So from a very windy Disney Springs, look how clear that water is, look. Bid you farewell. I need to get out of here. It's too much Disney, too much Disney. I'm only joking. Thanks for watching guys. More adventures tomorrow. Hope you're enjoying the Florida trips. If you like them, please like, subscribe. leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Be seeing you.